Have you seen ads claiming you can earn up to $317 a day simply by posting content from your phone? That's exactly what Mobile Profits promises. According to its website, complete beginners can start making money in just a few minutes a day without any previous experience. But is that realistic, or is it another online marketing scheme designed to sell expensive courses? Let's look at the evidence. Mobile Profits presents itself as a simple system that supposedly helps anyone earn money using only a smartphone. The sales video makes it sound incredibly easy. You're told that money is practically waiting for you, and all you have to do is activate the system. But once you look beyond the marketing, you quickly discover that it's basically another affiliate marketing training program. Now, affiliate marketing itself is a legitimate business model. Thousands of people earn money from it. The problem is that success usually takes months of learning, building content, getting traffic, and consistently creating value. It is not as simple as clicking a few buttons and collecting hundreds of dollars every day. Several warning signs stand out. First are the unrealistic income claims. Any company guaranteeing hundreds of dollars a day for complete beginners should immediately raise questions. Second is the heavy use of AI-generated presenters and testimonials. Many viewers have pointed out that the people appearing in the promotional video don't seem genuine, making it difficult to verify any success stories. Another concern is the legal disclaimer hidden near the bottom of the website. It quietly states that the earnings shown are not typical and that many users earn little or even nothing. That's a very different message from the one presented throughout the sales video. Online reviews reveal even more concerns. Some customers say they paid the advertised $47, only to later discover additional charges they never expected. Others report difficulty getting refunds despite a money-back guarantee. Several reviewers claim they received emails saying hundreds of dollars were waiting in their accounts, even though they had never earned any commissions. Others say they paid hundreds of dollars in upsells, but never achieved the promised results. While individual experiences can vary, the number of similar complaints follows a pattern that's difficult to ignore. Another interesting detail is that versions of Mobile Profits have reportedly appeared under similar websites over the years, disappeared, and then returned with nearly identical marketing. So, is Mobile Profits legitimate? It appears to sell affiliate marketing training, which by itself isn't illegal. However, the exaggerated earnings claims, AI-generated marketing, customer complaints, refund issues, scarcity tactics, and hidden disclaimers make this a high-risk offer in my opinion. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, remember that there are countless free resources available on YouTube, Google, and reputable educational websites that explain the same concepts without making unrealistic promises. If something promises fast, easy money with almost no effort, it's usually a good idea to slow down and research before spending your money. If you've tried Mobile Profits, share your experience in the comments below. Your story could help someone else avoid making an expensive mistake. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, subscribe to Mango School, and turn on notifications for more scam investigations and honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.